Hi everyone, today we'll show you how to use the QGIS for the analysis with the plugin Valhalla. First of all, you need to install it. Go to the QGIS.org, this website, to install it. Click download here and install it into your computer. And then open the QGIS. I'll go to plugin, manage and install plugin. You will see here you can type Valhalla to install it. If you cannot see it here, you can go to the website and download it separately here. And then go to the install from zip and open the zip file you have just downloaded from the website here, and it will install for you the Valhalla. This is the icon of this. Open it. And then you see here, this is the method. You have different method here. Today we use isodrone, and this is basically the vehicle we use for the analysis. The truck, bicycle, pedestrian, multimodal. Uh, Today we will do with pedestrian. And here is where you added the starting point to analysis. Go here. You can see this is the minute we want to analyze this. Like, for example, how far we can walk. We can walk within 2, 5, 10 minutes. And the other is not really important to worry about. Okay, let's add the point. You click the plus print here, and then add the point. If you want to open the map, you can go to the browser panel here and click Open Street Map, and it will open for you. Let's pick some point. Let's choose here, 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 and here. And then you open it's already assigned a destination point for you here. And then you will go with Apply. Okay. To customize the color with the analysis, you can go with right click and click properties. You will see you can adjust the style and the color of it. Let's do with low opacity. Okay, and then apply. Yeah, you can see it already changed. This show that within 2 minutes, 5 minutes, and 10 minutes, how far we can go with walking. Thank you.